Hey guys, so this is a day where I randomly wanted to get my lash lifted, and please continue watching.
Just got done with the lash lift. I don't think I can live without eyelash extensions already because I look bare as fuck. Hey, so I just came back from my lash lift session and you can see how lifted my lashes are. I really like the effect of this, however, I just feel that this is just not me. I don't think I have the confidence to go out, and it's just so bare. I really don't like it. It's just not my vibe, even though it looks pretty good. So yeah, I mean, if you guys are interested in a lash lift, or you guys have more like voluminous lashes, I think it's a really nice investment. So, yeah, I'm gonna book my eyelash extension session in a bit. So yeah.
Apparently, you can't go for lash extensions right after your lash lift. So this was me rushing to my eyelash extensions parlor after 2 weeks, and I was so eager.
Rushing to get my eyelashes done because I look bare as fuck. So let's go. Okay, I'm at Dr. Lash and I'm finally done with my eyelash extensions. I really love it. This time round it's super pretty.
Look, I was so happy after getting my lashes done, and yeah, I really can't live without eyelash extensions anymore. Lash extensions forever!
Yeah. Yeah.